And welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you need to know about in order to take advantage of the low competition and the high demand and the profitability of these keywords and to create books for them. Now, all this will help to diversify your Amazon KDP portfolio, where you would have a large portfolio containing workbooks, coloring books, notebooks, journals, as well as medium to high content books. Medium to high content books have such potential to make you earn money consistently and through many different ways. When you write a medium to high content book that contains mostly writing, providing value, you would be able to earn through a paperback, a Kindle ebook as well as the number of pages read as well. You'll be able to earn earnings for that. So for example, if you make a book, paperback, turn it into an ebook, super simple, super easy. Comment below if you would like me to make a tutorial about how can you turn it into paperback into an ebook and sell it on Amazon KDP as a Kindle. And that way also you'll be able to earn based on the individual sales of the ebook, the individual sales of the paperback, and on the number of pages read per day. So let's get started with the first keyword for today's video. And I'm using a total of 4 Chrome extensions, mainly self-publishing titans as well as Amazon Scout Pro. I have also included a link in the description box below for you to have to see a video that I made if you would like more details about the Chrome extensions. In that video, I've outlined the 4 Chrome extensions that I am using to analyze the profitability of the keywords that I analyze in this channel. And I also talk about how to use them correctly and take advantage of them. So watch that video afterwards if you are interested, and subscribe to the channel in order to be notified on our daily videos. We post every single day at 5 p.m. Finnish time. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing for beginners has a total result of 492, super low. Now we try to aim for anything between 1,000 or less, preferably in an ideal situation. Also, the bestseller rank is 598,959, and yes, I do understand it is slightly high as well, but there is potential to earn using this keyword, and there is also potential to niche down based on the keyword and provide value and get consistent sales as well. We've got an average reviews of 192 and an average price of $15.10. Now we are using 2 Chrome extensions mainly that are giving us the keyword niche score, this keyword's strength. The keyword strength according to Self-Publishing Titans is 32, which contradicts with the data that we have here. But the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, the free one, is number 7. Now number 9 is the highest of the keyword strength that you can get as a number and as a score, but number 7 is also good as well, and it is categorizing this keyword as a nice niche, wonderful keyword. Highly recommended to take advantage of it, and the best way to take advantage of this is to create a medium to high content book, such as a book that includes tips and tricks, strategies for beginners to help them in starting with affiliate marketing, which is a massive opportunity to earn passive income online. Affiliate marketing, I'm pretty sure you all are familiar with that, and this is why you follow me here on the channel, because it is one of the best, most common ways to earn money online quite passively as well. So you could create a medium to high content book, turn it into also a Kindle book as well, and that way you'd be able to earn through many different portals and many different ways as well. So that ebook is one strategy. Another thing is if you also want to create a workbook, affiliate marketing for beginners workbook as well. And I know the word workbook is not mentioned, the word activity book is not mentioned as well, but this is something that you can branch out to. This is something that's not yet available as well. So when you see that something that you would like to create, for example, I'm talking about my own personal experience here as well, and this is something that I spotted, so you are free to either take the advice or leave it. It has massive potential to get you sales as well. So imagine being one of the first people to have to come up with a workbook on Amazon KDP. I'm not sure if there is a workbook in Etsy or any other platform that sells ebooks as well, but imagine being one of the first ones coming up with a workbook that helps beginners to monitor, track, improve their affiliate marketing business. And there are a lot of resources. There are a lot of KDP interiors to help you get started in creating a similar workbook, logbook, planner for affiliate marketing for beginners on Creative Fabrica. And in the link in the description box below, I have included a link to a direct 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, all access free trial for 30 days that allows you to download, review, have a look around to see if you would like to access any of the interiors, the KDP keywords, the graphics, illustrations, also massive potential. Take advantage of that, no catches included. So let's have a look at the second keyword in today's video, and the second keyword is KDP Workbook. KDP Workbook has a keyword niche score of 38 and a total results of 263. Bestseller rank is quite high, yet what are we going to do when we find a bestseller rank that is high yet the total results are low? Keyword niche score I'm quite happy with. I'm not completely thrilled, like it's not like a 50 or in the 40s, yet I'm quite happy with. Why? Because it's not much books are being published under that, and if you could stand out, if you could over deliver, your book is going to be the main one that's going to sell consistently for years to come as well. Average bestseller rank is 852,210, which indicates that you should not completely invest your time and your energy in creating a lot of books under this keyword, but yeah, create one or two really good books, and then move on, let it sell, let it be there in your portfolio as part of your portfolio as well. Diversify, and just, I'm not saying completely forget about it, but every now and then, whenever you're doing your advertising, free advertising method, schedule, routine, which I highly recommend you get started on. For example, if you rely on Pinterest or on Instagram, go in there, pin the book, create a couple of posts on whatever platform you are using, to advertise freely, and just move on. Don't just sit there and like, why is it not selling? What's going on? Create it, make sure it's good quality, make sure you over deliver, and move on to the next. You'll be surprised when it starts to sell, because I have explained before that I have a couple of notebooks that I have created 3 years ago, earlier in the first month of starting Amazon KDP, and I'm like, they're basically a sunflower cover notebooks, and I never thought they would sell. I was just creating them for the sake of just wanting to create a lot of notebooks in the beginning to kind of get the hang of what would sell and what wouldn't, and then I just left it at that. I never really promoted it. Every now and then, maybe like once every 6 months, I'd go and I pin my old books on Pinterest, and that would be like a little kind of schedule to boost them that way, free pins, and then they caught up, and 3 years later they finally got their first sale, and then now consistently, thank God, they are bringing consistent sales for me on a weekly basis as well. Great. So if this could teach you anything, it's about diversifying your portfolio. It's about when you come across a keyword that you'd like to create books on that has a bestseller rank, it is quite high, just make sure you create a book or two, keep it good quality, and then move on to the next. You never know when it sells. Average price is $12.92, and we have a keyword niche score confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro of number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche. So what are you doing here? You're creating a workbook that's basically activity also related to help KDP sellers just like you and me, to help them improve their business, to help them with the researching, with the planning, with the creation process, with the keyword research process, anything that you need to get started. Just come up with a workbook that contains the activities that you would have wanted when you first started doing KDP. And there's a lot of resources, there's a lot of interiors available on Creative Fabrica to help you get started as well. And remember, it is also a business workbook, because running an Amazon KDP self-publishing business, it does take time, does take energy, does take a whole plan in order to work as well. So think of it as you are creating a workbook to help run a KDP business. And then you could use a business plan interior that is available at Creative Fabrica, commercial use as well. Upload it as a PDF to Canva, change it around a little bit, add in, take out elements here and there, and then that way make it relevant to KDP. Amazon KDP Business, and then there you go, you have an Amazon KDP Workbook as well. Lots of different ideas to help you get started, diversify, and do not be intimidated by the slightly high bestseller rank, because you just never know when it will just pop up. So let's talk about our third KDP keyword for the day, and it's diabetes chart logbook. Now it has a keyword niche score of 48. Total results are under the 1000 mark, which is 216. Average bestseller is quite nice as well, sitting at 477,082. Average reviews are 172, and average price is $7.62. We also have the keyword niche score provided by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is a number 9, categorizing this niche as a great niche. Wonderful score right over here. Also, you are creating a logbook, and there are a lot of interiors available at Creative Fabrica to help you with creating a logbook or formulating a logbook to do with tracking for example, the diet, the supplements, the insulin levels of those who have diabetes. You could also niche down to diabetes, whether it is type 1 or type 2. You could also deliver on using, for example, including an how to use page, including an introduction page, including some tips and tricks to help people who have diabetes in order to monitor their blood sugar levels, and also include a disclaimer that this is not for medical use. This is only to be used as a resource for informational purposes only, just in case of a legal trouble here and there. So we've talked about the 3 amazing profitable Amazon KDP keywords to help you get started for today's video. Diabetes chart logbook, keyword niche score of 48, clarification by Amazon Scout Pro of number 9. Also, we have KDP Workbook, and we have affiliate marketing for beginners. If you have enjoyed today's content, please subscribe to the channel. We are currently not monetized, so all the videos that we have here on the channel, over 127 videos as of today, we do not earn at all from any of these videos, unfortunately, because of the lack of monetization. But if you can and do want to help us, then go ahead and watch our videos, and I'm very sure you're going to benefit from that as well. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.